There are multiple ways to access the 360 camera view. Tap the 360 icon in the status bar of the center display to enter the 360 camera interface. Tap the 360 camera application in the application interface to enter the 360 camera interface. Press the auto parking button on the steering wheel or in the auto parking interface, which will open, then tap the 360 AVM button in the bottom right to enter the 360 camera interface. When the vehicle approaches an obstacle, a floating window will appear on the center display to alert the driver. When the vehicle is stationary or driving slower than 30 km per hour, the 360 camera floating window will automatically appear once the indicator is turned on. When the vehicle is in R gear, the center display will enter the 360 camera interface to assist the reversing operation. During reversing, the 360 camera view will send alerts or alarms highlighting obstacles around the vehicle.